The world of mirrorless cameras has expanded in recent years to cater to a wide variety of buyers, so whether you want to shoot video or stills, you'll find the best option for you in this video. The best mirrorless camera for beginners that we've tested is the Nikon Z50. It's a well-built APS-C camera, and while it's not the smallest mirrorless camera out there, it's lightweight and feels very comfortable to use. Its menu system is very well laid out and includes a guide mode to walk novice users through core settings. It doesn't have a fully articulated screen, but its screen can tilt and flip up 180 degrees to face you for vlogs or selfies. It delivers impressive overall image quality with good dynamic range and noise handling capability and photos that look very sharp at higher ISO levels. Its video quality is good overall in 4K, although it's noticeably worse in FHD and looks disappointing when recording in low light. The camera's autofocus system is decent at tracking moving subjects for photography, but it really excels when recording video, doing a great job of tracking objects and faces in 4K and FHD. It also shoots at up to 120 frames per second in FHD, which is great for generating slow-motion footage. Unfortunately, it lacks in-body image stabilization, though its electronic stabilization combined with the optical stabilization of the Nikon Z50 to 50mm f/3.5-6.3 VR lens do an excellent job of smoothing out camera shake. Its battery life is also mediocre, although this can vary with settings and usage habits, and you can't use it while charging. Still, this entry-level sibling to the more advanced full-frame Nikon Z6 is a solid choice for beginners looking to get their hands on a mirrorless camera. The Canon EOS M200 is the best mirrorless camera for beginners with a portable design that we've tested. This APS-C camera has a compact, lightweight design that makes it easy to bring with you on the go. Also, its menu system is simple to navigate, and there's even a guide mode feature available to explain its functions to new users. Thanks to its flip-out screen, you can use this camera to take pictures at lots of different angles, and it's also suitable for taking selfies. It offers very good image quality, and its impressive photo autofocus system helps to track fast moving for a clear image. It also has good 4K video quality, although it records with a pretty significant 1.57x crop. Unfortunately, while this camera offers more frame rate options when recording in FHD, its video quality isn't as impressive, especially in low light settings. It also doesn't come with inputs for headphones or a microphone, which can be disappointing for aspiring videographers who want to monitor their audio levels while recording. That said, if you're looking for an easy-to-use camera with a portable design, it's a solid choice. The best mirrorless camera for beginners for video that we've tested is the Sony Alpha6400. This compact APS-C camera offers a very versatile overall performance, and it offers impressive video quality while recording in both 4K and FHD. It also has an amazing video autofocus system that can help track fast-moving subjects like athletes. This well-built camera has a compact, portable design that's very comfortable to use, and its flip-out screen makes it suitable for vlogging. It even has an input for a stereo microphone, which can be handy if you want to get clear dialogue in your videos. It's also suitable for still photography, thanks to its great image quality and incredible photo autofocus performance. Unfortunately, this camera doesn't offer a headphone jack to help you monitor audio levels while you record. Also, though its menu system is decently easy to use, it can be difficult to find more complex settings. That said, there's a guide mode to help explain its features, and you can also remap the menus and controls based on your preferences.